back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another exciting non-phone work from home job lead. Just a little disclaimer, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, so I do not have any additional information outside of what is in the job posting, and all jobs that I discuss are always down in the description box below. But with that being said, I have done a little bit of research on today's company. This job lead is very exciting. The company MindBody, they offer wellness, fitness online. They are hiring a customer support associate for their ClassPass. Now, this is remote work from home for my United States folks only. And it says the ClassPass customer experience team is dedicated to delivering the best in-class support for their global customer base. So the key responsibilities of the job are responding to customer inquiries via email, social media platforms, and live chat. So this is completely non-phone customer service. You'll identify, troubleshoot, and communicate site and app issues with the appropriate teams. You'll achieve all key quality and productivity targets. You'll assist customers in a timely and helpful manner, anticipating their future questions and needs, and you'll advocate for the customer through creative thinking and problem solving. So they are really looking for someone who is solution-oriented and positive, willing to jump in and take on any task, big or small, someone who has the ability to multitask, someone who thrives within routines and enjoys working in similar systems every day. In other words, the job can get mundane, someone who has excellent written and communication skills, great attention to detail, great grammar, a fast learner, and someone who is comfortable working on a team. You also have to be flexible and adaptable with your schedule. They may have changing shifts and need someone to work evenings, weekends, and holidays at times, but they do not require any college degree. Now, while they specifically did not list the pay in the job description, this company has a Glassdoor page. I'm going to leave the Glassdoor page linked down below in the description box also if you want to come read the reviews. And this company does have some raving reviews from people who have worked from them in the past, and from people who have worked from them in the past as a customer support associate. It looks like people have noted that they make up to $30 an hour, and enough people have said this that Glassdoor says that this is a confident estimate, that sometimes people make $23 an hour as base pay and $7 an hour as additional pay. I don't know if that's commission or what, it doesn't say, but you can make anywhere from $23 to $30 an hour for this non-phone position. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.